In this lesson, we're going to talk about comparing and ordering rational numbers. Rational numbers are anything that can be written as a fraction. First, we want to review our inequality symbols. This first one means that the first thing is less than the second thing. The alligator always eats the bigger number, so here the bigger number's on the right side. The second one is the greater than symbol. Here the symbol opens to the left, so the bigger number is on the left. An equal sign with a slash through it means is not equal to. The less than symbol with an equal sign underneath it is less than or equal to. This number is the bigger number. The greater than symbol with a line underneath it is the greater than or equal to symbol. Again, this is the bigger number. Alligator eats the bigger number. And the equal sign means that they're the same. When we order rational numbers or put them in order from least to greatest, we can get a common denominator between the two and compare their numerators, or we can change fractions to decimals by dividing them. So we want to decide which rational number is bigger, 4/11ths or 3/8. The first way that we can do this is to find a common denominator. Our denominators now are 11 and 8. If you want to find the least common multiple between these two, an easy way would be to just multiply the two denominators. So our common denominator is going to be 88. In order to make 11 into 88, we're going to have to multiply it by 8. And what we do to the denominator, we must also do to the numerator. So that makes this fraction 8 times 4, which is 32, over our common denominator, 88. In order to make 8 into 88, we're going to have to multiply it by 11. 8 times 11 is 88. 3 times 11 is 33. Our fraction becomes 33 over 88. Now it's really easy to compare these two because all we have to do is compare the numerators. Here the numerator is 32, and here it's 33. So we want to create an inequality symbol that is an alligator eating the bigger number. 33 is bigger, so our inequality symbol needs to open toward 33 over 88. We know 33 over 88 is larger. Now, the other way that we can do this is to change both of the numbers into decimals and then compare them. We do that by dividing numerator by denominator. So 4 divided by 11 is 0.36 repeated. Then we have 3 divided by 8. That is 0.375. And when we're comparing these decimals, we start with their tenths place. 3 and 3, those are the same. Then we go to their hundredths place, 6 and 7. Since 7 has a bigger value, this decimal is larger. Again, we want to find out which rational number has a larger value. There are two ways we can do it, by finding a common denominator or by changing them both into decimals. First, we'll find a common denominator. We can do that by multiplying our denominators. 4 times 6 is 24, so that'll be our common denominator. In order to make 4 into 24, we've got to multiply by 6. And we have to do that to the numerator and the denominator both. 6 times 7 is 42. And on this side, we have to multiply 6 by 4 to get 24. We'll multiply that by the numerator as well. 11 times 4 gives us 44. And our denominator is 24. Now we can compare the numerators. 42 and 44. Which one is bigger? 44 is bigger. So this would be the inequality symbol we would use. This is our larger number. We can also do that by changing them to decimals. So we would simply divide numerator by denominator. 7 divided by 4 is 1.75. And 11 divided by 6. Is 1.83. Now we compare. 1 and 1 are the same, so their ones place doesn't tell us anything. In the tenths place, 7 and 8. 8 is larger, so this decimal must be bigger.